Hello, my name is Steph, and I'll be reading 10 Little Ladybugs by Melanie Girth. 10 little ladybugs sitting on a vine, along came a butterfly. Then there were 9 little ladybugs skipping on a gate, along came a caterpillar. Then there were 8 little ladybugs looking up at heaven, along came a bird. Then there were 7 little ladybugs resting on sticks, along came a grasshopper. Then there were 6 little ladybugs flying near a hive, along came a bee. Then there were 5 little ladybugs sleeping by the shore, along came a fish. Then there were 4 little ladybugs climbing up a tree, along came a turtle. Then there were 3 little ladybugs drinking up dew, along came a duck. Then there were 2 little ladybugs basking in the sun, along came a frog. Then there were 1 little ladybug sitting all alone, along came a breeze. Then she was home.